arrives, bugs leave their winter hiding spots and can end up in your yard or home. Check out how to prepare for springtime pests. 1. Seal entry points. Inspect your home for holes and openings where pests could enter, especially around doors and windows. Repair damaged screens and make sure weather stripping is in good condition. 2. Remove food sources. Regularly sweep, vacuum, mop, and wipe down counters to remove crumbs and sticky residues. Keep your sink free of dishes. Store your food in sealed containers and keep your produce in the fridge. Regularly take out your trash. 3. Minimize standing water. Check for and repair leaking pipes and dripping faucets. Use a dehumidifier in areas of your home prone to dampness. Make sure your drains are working properly. Keep your gutters clean and minimize standing water in your yard. 4. Keep your space organized. Keep areas where pests are likely to hide, like attics, basements, and garages, organized. Avoid leaving your things on the floor. Store your items in sealed plastic bins. 5. Take care of your yard. Mow your lawn regularly to avoid attracting ticks and other pests. Trim your trees and bushes so they aren't touching the side of your house. Remove debris and trash in your yard. 6. Use plant-based insecticide sprays. You can create a repellent barrier that helps to keep pests out of your space by spraying the perimeter of your yard and home with our yard bug spray. You can also spray common entry points with our home bug spray to deter pests from entering your home. 7. Use an ant bait. You can set up a perimeter defense system with our no-spill ant kill bait stations. Place the stations around the perimeter of your home about 5 to 10 feet apart. If you use an ant bait, don't use insecticide sprays with repellent properties. 8. Use a spider and insect trap. Our spider and insect trap can also help keep your home free of pests. Place the trap in areas where you are likely to see insect activity and where pests enter homes. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.